Let's get started. Hello everyone. So I'm going to discuss about the feature encoding in Introduction to Data Science. So before that, I'm going to tell features what are we are going to use in the feature encoding. First, we are going to use ordinal encoding, and then label encoding, one-hot encoding, binary encoding, and target encoding. These are the encoding we are just going to see in the upcoming codings. So just let's start our video. So first we are going to importing the necessary libraries pandas and loads a csv file name encoding data into a data frame df. So here we can see that we are just imported the panda library, and then we are just load a csv file in the data frame df. So after that we are just get into the ordinal encoder. So the code defines a list of categories which we are represent in a PM using ordinal encoders. The categories are hot, warm, cold, and then which to encode the ordinal category data in the data frame DF. So ordinal category data, which means order to in the DF, fit the transforms. So in the DF, and then the encoded values are then added a new column named BO2. Here we can see that new column name BO2. We're just adding the new column name named as a BO2 in DF. So after that, we're using another method of encoding. Category data is applied using a label encoder to encode the ordinal or2 column directly in a copied data frame. So here we can see that's a column directly in a copied data frame DF. Yeah, and then just we are using the one hot encoder is used to perform one hot encoding on the norm norm zero column the data frame df2. The resulting one hot encoding values are then concatenate with df2. So here we are using the two concat function to concatenate the resulting values with the df2. After that we are using the dummies. The code demonstrates alternative approach to one hand using one hand encoding using get dummies. It's this function is directly converts the categorical variable into dummy variable. So after that we are installing the category encoding package. So this code attempt to install a package, and then we are just going to binary encoder. The binary encoder from a category encoder is used to encode the odd two column in the data frame df. The encoded values are then concatenate with the df2 from bf, a dfb. So here we can see the dfb. We just confirm the we just concatenate the df2 from dfb. Yes, concatenate after that we are just using the target encoder, which we imported from the categorical encoder supply to encode the city. Here we can see that city. We just encode the city column based on the target variable target in the data frame cc. The encoded values are concatenate with cc. So here we can see city and the target variable. The encoded values are concatenate with cc. So that's all the feature encoding function. I hope you guys are understand my explanation very clearly. I hope so. Thank you.